The liver is a vital organ in the human body responsible for performing a wide range of functions essential for maintaining overall health. Here's a simplified explanation of how the liver works. Metabolism. One of the primary functions of the liver is to metabolize nutrients from the food we eat. It processes carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into forms that can be used by the body for energy, growth, and repair. Detoxification. The liver plays a key role in detoxifying harmful substances in the body such as drugs, alcohol, and metabolic waste products. It breaks down these substances into less harmful forms that can be excreted from the body. Synthesis. The liver produces important proteins necessary for blood clotting, such as fibrinogen and prothrombin. It also synthesizes albumin, a protein crucial for maintaining fluid balance in the body. Storage. The liver acts as a storage reservoir for various substances. It stores glycogen, a form of glucose used for energy when blood sugar levels drop. Additionally, the liver stores certain vitamins like vitamins A, D, and B12, and minerals such as iron and copper. Bile production. The liver produces bile, a greenish-yellow fluid that aids in the digestion of fats. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine to emulsify fats, making them easier to digest and absorb. Filtering blood. The liver receives blood from the digestive tract through the hepatic portal vein. It filters this blood, removing toxins, bacteria, and other harmful substances before the blood is distributed to the rest of the body. Overall, the liver performs numerous critical functions that are essential for maintaining proper bodily functions and overall health. Any disruption in liver function can have significant consequences for health and well-being.